everyone, welcome back to my channel. To those who watch and who are also subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And to those who are new, my name is Janet and this channel is about fashion, business and lifestyle in Zimbabwe. So if you do like it here, please don't forget to subscribe, to hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified each and every time I post, and also do give this video a huge thumbs up in order for it to be recognized by people who don't know this channel. And also do please leave your comments down below. I would love to hear your views, your suggestions about this channel. This channel is not growing, guys. It's growing but the views are low. I don't know why, so please do give me some suggestions, all that. They're welcome. Without wasting much of your time, compliments of the new season. How is the new year, guys? How is 2022? Have you written your goals down? Have you written your vision, your strategies for this year? Of course, God first, guys. Align your plans with God so that they come true. And also, if you don't plan your life will plan you, guys. So you need to make sure that as you begin this year, you make your plans. So without further ado, let's move into today's business. So today, guys, I'm going to be spilling the tea. I am giving you my 3 most reliable vendors on Alibaba. So I know this video has been highly requested and I couldn't really compile or come up with a video. I wanted to actually come up with a lot of vendors, but then I couldn't, again, because remember, guys, I started shopping on Alibaba late last year, and I received my first consignment in March. Yeah, it was in March, and I did my unboxing, my first unboxing on YouTube. I will leave the video down below on my description box. I'll leave the video down below on my description box. So in order for you to just go back and see what I bought and see the quality of the items. So I didn't want to do this video until I had like multiple experiences with these vendors. So hence today I came up with 3 vendors which can be helpful for someone who wants to start up a business and they just have a small budget and they don't want to buy as much things, because I understand on Alibaba you have to buy 10 or more. I mean, 10 is even less, guys. But then I have these 3 vendors where you can buy your stuff and it's not that much. I think one of the vendors allows you to buy even less than 3 and others 3. So at least there's a low MOQ, that is minimum order quantity. So yeah, let's get into the three vendors which I use. The first one I will choose, okay, I did write down, guys. I have a notebook and also I have my phone to be also just scrolling down on Alibaba and letting you guys also see them. So the first one I choose for you guys. Oops, sorry. The first one is Dongguan Shangyi bags. It's Dongguan Shangyi bags. So this is a vendor who sells handbags, guys. They mostly specialize on handbags. Not that they sell only handbags. And I've also just bought from them handbags, strictly handbags. So these guys actually have ladies handbags. They specialize on ladies high fashion handbags, from leatherette to leather. You can ask from them. And also they do specialize on what are these? They specialize on the cosmetic toiletry bags and also the school bags for children. So if you want to start a business, you obviously choose from most probably the cosmetic bags, or you want to sell the ladies handbags, or you just want to sell the children's school bags. So they offer all that, or you just want to do everything. They do offer that. They are a big company, as you can see. They have quality handbags. I do buy from them, especially the ladies handbags. I've never bought the cosmetic handbags though. And also their school handbags, I've never tried them before, because that's not my line of business. So yeah guys, you can always try this. You can always try them out. You can always try them out and see how it goes. They are reliable, they are efficient, they effective. They actually answer you there and there when you like send them a message, and they're able to like actually give you like full attention until you order, you do your orders and all. So yeah, that's the first company, the handbags company. If you're a person who wants to start your business, a small business, and you want to supply handbags, you want to supply school bags, or you want to supply cosmetic bags, you can always look into this company. It supplies and it sends here in Zim and anywhere in the world. Moving on to the next company, Dongguan Yanxin Clothing. Clothing. So this one is a clothing company, though they also supply hair. The hair is synthetic. It's not 100% human hair, it's synthetic. So stay away from their hair. Just focus on their clothing. Just make sure that you focus on the clothing and not the hair. The hair is just synthetic there. It's just synthetic. Whew, sorry. I had to deal with some stuff. So as I was saying, I said the hair is synthetic, so don't go for their hair. Just go for their clothing. Though with clothing you also have to be careful. I don't really like their t-shirts. Like as you can see, this is one of their t-shirts. It's not white, it's creamish, and the material of the t-shirt I also didn't like. I've ordered different types of t-shirts and it's always the same thing. It's always the same thing, so I don't really like their t-shirts. So with this clothing company, I'm still not so convinced, though all the clothes which I sell, they are from this company. Most of their pieces are great. They also sell material. If you're that person who does tailoring and you want to do your own, like you want to be a designer shop, you can always order like material from them and then make your own pieces. That's what they do. Yeah, so that's basically about this company. And also they also offer different things. They also, besides clothes, they also offer shoes. They also offer towels and caps. So it depends on what exactly you want. Moving on to the last but not least. It's called the Shan Tian. Oh, I can't pronounce this Chinese. I know I've learned in China, but I was learning in English. I can't really pronounce. But then these ones, they do offer babies pieces. If you are into wanting to supply baby stuff, this is your shop. This is your go-to. I've shopped from this shop and I liked what I saw, and I'm liking even their backpacks. The backpacks are amazing. Washe, Wuya. The backpacks are amazing. They have amazing pieces for kids. Though they offer other stuff, they do offer other stuff or lady stuff and all that. But I've never bought other stuff from them. I've never bought women clothes or whatever. So just make sure that you're also buying. If you want to try also their other stuff, you can, because I really am in love with their baby clothes from 0 to 3 years. They do offer really nice pieces. I think you've seen from the videos I've shot before. Hi, Bobo. Hi. Hi. You want me? These are the 3 most vendors which I use, guys, and I tell you, I love my pieces and my clients also love my pieces. It's only a few of the pieces which don't come. Like I said, that clothing company, sometimes their t-shirts, I don't like them. So yeah, guys, if you like this type of content, for me to be buying from other vendors and then delivering to you guys, let me know so that I can be your plug with these things. I can be your plug. So happy new year, guys. I hope you have a prosperous one till we meet on the next one. Cheers. Bye.